Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create callouts using the new stroke features in HitFilm. These features actually come in the Pro version of HitFilm, and they can be found under Generate folder. And there are two of them. You have a regular stroke and a vector stroke. So I'm going to start by bringing a regular stroke down and just placing it above the video clip in its own grade layer in another video track. You can use either a mask or a path. We're going to start by using a mask tool. I'm just going to go ahead and use an elliptical mask and just highlight this right here. If you open up the effects, check out all of these presets. I'm just going to create a beaded chain, and look at that. How about a dotted line? That looks pretty cool. You can, of course, always adjust everything. So if I wanted to make that a little bit thicker, I wanted to adjust the spacing of that, I can certainly do that. Here's an animated line growth one. This is a little bit slow of an animation, so I can always open up the display timeline and move in here a little bit closer, grab that keyframe, and then just drag it over so that it can animate as however fast I'd like for it to do. In addition to those, there are lots of other presets that I can use. Let me go ahead and remove the stroke from this as well as the mask, and let me bring in a vector stroke effect instead. But here I'm going to go ahead and use a freehand path tool. The path tool is basically the same as a mask tool, except it doesn't actually do any masking or cutting out. It's just creating a path along this line. Let's start with an animated arrow, shall we? Pretty cool. How about a connection? That looks pretty cool. Here's an animated crawling effect where it is literally just sort of pointing towards there, right? How about a dominoes effect? And here's a quick arrow draw effect. All of these can be adjusted as well, so I can change the thickness of this, I can adjust the path, I can do all kinds of very quick and easy effects to create these callouts. So I would encourage you to play around with these different effects. I think you'll find them very valuable.